Hello friends, sanibona bangani.
Do you know what this is? Niyazi ukuthi yini lokhu? It's a pattern. Yiphethini. A pattern is something that repeats again and again. Iphethini into eziphindaphindayo. Just like your favorite song chorus. Njenge chorus yengoma yakho oyithandayo. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Patterns are everywhere. Amaphethini ayonke indawo. On our clothes, ezimpahleni, in nature, emvelweni, even in the way we move. Nangendlela esiyenza ngayo. Like this. Kanje. Clap, clap, stomp, stomp. Clap, clap, stomp, stomp. That's a pattern too. Imagine you are making a fruit salad. You put a slice of apple, then banana, then apple, then banana. See the pattern? Uyayibona ipattern. It helps you make a super yummy snack and organized fruit salad. Imagine you are sorting socks. Blue, red, blue, red. Patterns help us understand things, make cool designs, and even solve problems. Amaphethini ayasisiza ukuthi siqonde izinto. Siyenze imiklamo emihle futhi sixazulule nezinkinga. Can you find a pattern around you? Ungakwazi ukuthola amaphethini lapho ukhona. Asibale izinombolo kwaze kwamnandi. Let's count numbers, it's so much fun. Asibale izinombolo kwaze kwamnandi. We'll go up, up, up to 10. Siya phezulu kulishumi. Then come down, down, down to 1. Bese siza phansi. Kunye, 1. Kunye, 2. Kubili, 3. Kuthathu, 4. Kune, 5. Kuhlanu, 6. Isithupha, 7. Isikhombisa, 8. Isishagalombili, 9. Isishagalolunye, 10. Ishumi, 10. Ishumi, 9. Ishagalolunye, 8. Ishagalombili, 7. Isikhombisa, 6. Isithupha, 5. Kuhlanu, 4. Kune, 3. Kuthathu, 2. Kubili, 1. Kunye. There is a pattern in how we count. Kune phethini futhi ngalendlela esibala ngayo. Let's count in ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
With the pattern of ones, we only do one jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now, let's count in twos. Asibaleni ngama twos. Here, the pattern is twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Well done!
With the pattern of twos, we do 2 jumps. 1, 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 10.
Now let's count in fives. The pattern here is 5. 5, 10, 15, and 20.
Also, with the pattern of 5s, we do 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20.
Look at this pattern. I created myself this pattern using numbers. The pattern here is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. After 3 comes what? 1. After 1 comes what? 2. After 2 comes what? 3. So the pattern will keep on saying 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Shaya izandla. Shaya izandla. Ibambe.
Let's learn new words, friends. Asifundeni amagama amasha. Many, okuningi, which means a lot of things. Few, okuncane, which means not a lot of things. The same, okufanayo, which means nothing is few or more is just the same. Here we have 2 circles. This side, the circle has few ducks. That side, the circle has many ducks. Ngapha amadada mancane. Ngapha amadada maningi. In these 2 circles, the ducks are the same. We have 2 ducks on this circle and 2 ducks on that circle. Lana kulamasekeli amabili, amadada ayafana. Ngapha sinamadada awu-2, ngapha futhi sinamadada awu-2. So kuyafana. In these 2 circles, do we have many, few, or the same? Kulamasekeli lawa amabili, sina amadada amaningi, noma amancane, noma kuyafana. Yes, we have the same ducks on this circle and on that circle. Sinamadada afanayo kulesekeli lena nale.
In these 2 circles, do we have many, okuningi, few, okuncane, the same, okufanayo? Yes, on this circle, we have many, okuningi. On this circle, we have few, okuncane. Which hand has many dots and which hand has few dots? Yes, friends, this hand has a few dots and this hand has many dots. Between these 2 hands, friends, which hand has many bottle caps and which hand has a few bottle caps? You so clever, friends. Both hands has the same number of bottle caps. The same, just as many. Let's learn more words. Asifundeni amanye amagama. Least means few, okuncane. Most means many, okuningi. This circle has most, okuningi. This circle has least, okuncane. Which circle has least and which circle has most? Iyiphi i-circle enokuningi? Iyiphi i-circle enokuncane? Yes, this circle has least and this circle has most. Between 5 and 1, which one is most and which one is least? Yes, 5 is most and 1 is least. Let's learn more words. Asifundeni amagama amanye. More means many, okuningi. Less means few, okuncane. And just as many means the same, kuyafana. In these circles, do we have more, okuningi, less, okuncane, or just as many, the same? Yes, this circle has less and this circle has more, okuningi, okuncane. In these circles, do we have more, okuningi, less, okuncane, or just as many, the same, okufanayo? Yes, we have just as many, okufanayo. In these circles, do we have more, okuningi, less, okuncane, or just as many, okufanayo? Yes, this circle has less, okuncane, and this circle has more, okuningi. Okay, friends, between 9 and 2, which one is more and which one is less? 9 is more and 2 is less. Now I want us to take our pencils and papers, or if you have a whiteboard and a marker like me, you can use your whiteboard. Friends, let's draw 2 circles. So this circle is our right side. So let's write R. Right side starts with R. And then this is our left side. L. Left starts with L. Now I want us to make this right side have more things. You can draw whatever you want. Let's draw more things on the right side. Okay, let's draw on the left side less things. Can you see the right side has more things? Most, many. The left side has less things. Least, few. Let's draw again. So I want us to draw the same things on each, the same number of things on each circle, just as many. See, I have the same things on both circles. Just as many. I have 1, 2, 3 triangles on the right side and 1, 2, 3 triangles on the left side. They are both the same, just as many. We learned that many also means most and it also means more. A lot of things, a lot of things. A lot of things means more, means most, means many. We also learned that few means least, means less. Just a little bit of things, not a lot, just a little bit of things. Let's repeat it for the last time. Few means least, means less. And we also learned the word the same. The same also means just as many. There is no difference. Kuyafana.
Friends, let's spell number names. Bangani asispele amagama wezinombolo. 0 Z E R O 1 O N E 2 T W O 3 T H R E E 4 F O U R 5 F I V E 6 S I X 7 S E V E N 8 E I G H T 9 N I N E 10 T E N. Goodbye friends, nisale kahle bangani. Remember to practice spelling.